Eto na mga kapuso! Dito na tayo sa isang buwisit na road dito sa bahay ni Kuya Bills kung saan na magagaling mga tarantado na yan. Mag-press wag na ako kahit 15 na boles. Yo, Mabi! 1 plus 1 equals... hotdog! Weh! Ano ba yan, Mabi? Arna, maglaro na tayo. Iyon! Panalo ako, mabuwisit kayo. Ano na, Mabi? Yes, give me get you going. Make the most out of these 10 pesos. Get there and find Kuya Billy and prepare to pay for a star. But where is he? And his lair? Nasa, Kanluran to the west? Okay, we're up for it. Tara na mga parikos, mga bobo kayo, mabuwisit kayo. Ito na! To the west it is. Let's go! Dojon! Nope. Wait a sec. This seems kind of suspicious. We gago. Hoy! Bilis naman, bro. Ang bilis naman talaga mong tumakbo. Teka. Yeah, I think I should not panic first. Yo, bro. Can I talk to you for a while? What? One advice is, when you play this game at Kuya Billy's house, listen to my advices. Put those 3 advices in your heart. Number 1, don't always curse. Huwag ka palagi magmura. Number 2, if you think that Kuya Billy is in one of the reference rooms, like for example, sabi mo Kuya Billy is to the left, where sometimes it will lead you astray. Don't always focus on that. Try other route. Like for example, kung you think that Kuya Billy is to the north, huwag ka palagi mag-isip na nasa north siya. Try other directions, like go to the east, go to the west, go to the south. Baka malay mo, if you were to take those directions, it may still bring you back to those rooms. At number 3, huwag ka mag-iyak sa una pa lang. As you go farther, malalaman mo lahat yung mga kwarto. Gets? Gets? Okay. Let's go! Go, John! Oh my God. Okay, this may feel kind of sus now that the first room where Kuya Bills is this way. He! 5 piso? Paano maging sapat yun? Bale. That's just a... Okay, I can sense something. Uy, gago! Nandito na naman si Manong! Puta ina. Don't worry, I know the plan. Yes! Tarantado ka? Bayad ko na para wala na akong problema dito. Puta, tingin mo wala kang kwenta. Kaya pala. I know that Kuya Billy's there. I swear. Please, Lord, big number. 6. Sana may sale. Good. Perfect. Okay. Thank the Lord. Yan. Nandito na ako sa bahay ni Kuya Bills. At just in time. You know why? Hey, you found me. Now, Rap, how about my 10 coins? Fork him over, because I've got that pretty little star right over here. Bayad po! Hey, here's your star. Salamat sa Panginoon, Kuya Bills! Nagkaroon ako ng isang maliwanag na between. Dahil sa inyo! Mapasalamat tayo sa Panginoon! That's good. But too bad it won't be so easy to find me for your second star. Hee. Wala akong pake. Tara na, bro! Mali yung discard mo, gawin mo na. Weh! Suabe! Pag mini-break muna tayo bago tayo magtuloy. Ay, mixing lang to. Yes! Ayos, di ba? Suwabe naman. Sige, bigay mo na yung maraming pera. Akin na yan. What? Epic? 1 piso lang? Puta nga. Di bale. What a fierce competition! I'm impressed! Now let's take a look at the standings. Well, look at this. It looks like Rafi is likely the winner. The way how things are going, Delwyn is sure to lose. So let's give him a boost. You all want a good fight, right? So let's see if this evens the odds. Okay, so far so good. We know now. Ah! Okay, wait a sec. Ah! So that's a curve. So therefore, I must repay the manong in order for me to go there. Pero di bale. At least now I already know what will happen. If I pay the manong, if I didn't pay the manong, I would not go to the reference room where Kuya Bills is, which is there. Okay. Gets na pala. So now I have a plan. Watch this. No thanks. Yes! Salamat sa Diyos! 10 peso! 10 pesos! Pinakuha ko! Jackpot! I think I have a... Okay, let's see what I'm gonna do. Yes! Diba yan, natipid muna ako. Dito na naman ako. Uy! Galing ah! Mag-versus minigame naman tayo. Suwabe! Galing ah! See nga, what's the game? I just manifested the game will be an easy one. These lords na maiksi. Oh, galing. I love that game. What the heck, bro? Why'd you get 0? Oh, I know, because of the Bowser's Bases. Pwede! Ay, mapasalamat tayo sa Diyos. Kahit di ako humastos. Okay lang yan! Thanks, Kuya Paul! You're on your way! Dojun! Yes, Anim! Well, it still brought me there. That's the good news. Yo, what's up? What? Whoa, what the heck? Huh? Isang peso lang. Ah, so there's a room here. Walang kwenta. Uy, galing ah! Uy, galing ah! Uy, galing yung diskarte ah! Bilis mo naman bro! Or Mabila Gaspi. Or Matt Nordano. Uy! Di ako ready ah! Ah, kaya pala there's a room here, 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 tapos dito. I'll try to go down to check it out. Just pray that the rooms that we take are not seen tornadoes. Hope so. Good luck! 7! Ay, ganun ah! Maglaban na naman tayo. Sana may silang yung laro. Sana may silang. Please, Lord. Please, Lord. Maiksi, maiksi, maiksi. Please, Lord. Just make it an easy one. Oh, great. That's so easy. I'm never fearful of the dark, you know. I can find my friends very easily. Here I go. Wala. Wala. Hello. Gago. Hi. Check the piano. Wala. Dito kaya. Hello, sir. Tama! At least I was able to find the secret guest. Suave. Alitanong ka na talaga kung sino. Okay, time to throw a dart. Never mind, kahit konti lang. Ibali na. Kasi konti lang yung pair ni Kitsi eh. O ni Tommy Murray. O ni Delwin. O ni Mami ni Gaspi. O ni Derek. O ni Danny. What? Here we go again. Ano to, maglalaban tayo ulit? Grabe naman. Huy, ayoko to. Here we go. Wish me luck. Akin na yan ah. Ouch! Gal ka bro. Wali! Hoy, gago! Ano yan? Yan! Sa akin to ha. Gago! Akin yan. Kung nag-squash ako, wala yan. Eastward na meron. Gago, ano naman. Yes. Wala. Yes. Yan. Take that, bro, brother Ezekiel. Almost done. Yes! Hi! Salamat sa Diyos! May lucky hidden treasure na ako. Swabe! Singakin na yung pera ko! Tado. Yay! I think this is intense. Most of the rooms are seen tornadoes. See, I'll try to check here. Oh man. Galing! Alright, Delwin, here I come. Ready or not. I'm going this way. Okay, moment of truth. Which is the right room? That's the question. Whoa! Okay. Okay, so therefore if I were going here, this will lead me to this room. Now what the heck? So yeah, as you can see kanina here. Then you have to decide if you want to continue up. But I think that's a sintonado. So I think to play safe, baba na ako. I'll just go down. Wish me luck. Hoy, gago! Ano to? Sintonado? Tainga. Gago. Ay, nako, nandito na ako sa buwisit na room na to. Tainga. Di bali, may discard na ako. Just watch and see for yourself. Wait! Will that evens out? Because we know that both groups are now Sintonados. So we shouldn't have gone too far. At least now lesson learned. So now let's review everything that we have so far. So kanina, di ba remember this what happened? We know the reference room where Kuya Bills is to the west. So ganito yun. So we started off here, tapos nagpunta tayo dito, and then here, tapos dito, I paid the manong, tapos umakyat dito, tapos dito. Dito talagang tunay na kwarto ni Kuya Bills. Pero, I tried to take another route, which is this. I turned right, and then if I remember, if you were to go down, it'll lead you here right away. Dito ka na. Then you have to pay the manong. Sige, bayad ka na. If you were to go this way, automatic curve back. Diba? Curve back. And then go here. Go up, and then it'll lead you here. Back again. Tapos, kung bumaba ka, you'll be here. So we have to go up here. So that you can find Kuya Bills. Dito pala yun. Tapos dito sa baba, turn right. Kung tumakas ka, babalik ka na naman. Kung bababa ka, dapat dito. Diyan nang galing si Kuya Bills. Pero what we did was we kept on moving hanggang, yun nga, it brought us here. So as I go here, dito ako sa baba, ay nako, Sintonado. Tapos dito sa taas, tapos si pay the manong, if we pay the manong, it'll lead us back here. Right back to where we started. So, buti nga, nag-curve tayo dito. Tapos yun nga, Sintonado naman tayo. Iisip naman. But it isn't even out because we were able to find two pitfall rooms. It's right here and down here. So now we manifest to find Kuya Bills. It has to be in this room or in this room. That's the plan. Good luck. Yes! Candy, please. Sana Lord, maganda. Yes, ito po. If not the first north, I'll try the south na lang. That's my plan. Kasi my plan is to buy that manong eh. That's my plan. Hi! Salamat sa Diyos sa pating perkos para sa pagbibili ng sa pagbayad ng manong na yan. O, kanina. Take it away, bro, Ezekiel. Wait! Wala kang pair kahit kinain ko talaga yung Choco. Putang mo. Kaya na! Go, John! 10 9 Uy, gago! Malapit na yan, ha? Bayad na, sir! Bayad ko na! Now. I've just stayed here and kept myself being bored. And now you want me to move? Yes! Here's my plan. Here I come. We can't go up here. We have to go down. We have to venture down the mansion more. And voila! There it is. Just hope nothing bad beats me. Oh, great. What a relief. At least I can win now. That's the good news. Sayang lang if I can only go through one more step. Sayang. Pero di bale, what is important? I am done! Tada! Hi, Kuya Luis! Tara na, bayad na tayo! Hey, you found me. Now, how about my 10 pesos? Fork him over, cause I've got that pretty little star right in my pocket. Now, Kuya Bills. Yan! Hey, here's your star. Mapasalamat tayo sa Panginoon dahil magkaroon tayo ng bituin. Yaha! I got the star! Horrifying that you got 2 stars. I'll never live this down. I'll just slip away quietly. Mario, you win. Well, thanks, Baby Jewel. And you know why? This game was so easy. At least I learned my lesson. Even if I wander up too far, sometimes I don't even I regret because of passing to a Sintonado. Yes, bro. That's what I was trying to tell you. Don't always take the long route. I forgot to mention. If you think talaga you are on a long journey, don't always take the long route. Sometimes you think that taking the long route may direct you to the real Kuya Billy room. Pero sometimes it may not. It may lead you somewhere very far or somewhere astray. Kaya na take the correct room. Kahit maiksi lang, okay lang. Huwag ka maglayo-layo. Thanks, bro. Anyway, these chills and spills are over because we have a winner, guys. That's right, folks. This duel belongs to Rafi. Congratulations. That was great, everyone. And at least I was able to beat Kinsey Napoles rather than beating Luigi. That was great. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh no. Good game, bro. Hope we play again someday.